Bomb threat shuts down court operations in Halfway Tree.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Activities at the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court in Halfway Tree were brought to an abrupt end on Tuesday afternoon, September 4, following a bomb threat at the complex. Reports from the Halfway Tree police station are that, close to midday, police officers at the station got a call from an individual who informed them that a bomb was on the court premises. The report triggered a quick reaction from the authorities. We got a call and, based on the information, we sprang into action by calling the bomb squad and vacating the court, a police officer said. A search was conducted, but nothing related to an explosive was found. The Court Management Services said, as a result of the development, all court cases that were scheduled for Tuesday that were not dealt with up to that point of the day were adjourned and the respective parties issued with new dates to return to court. We ask for patience and understanding of members of the public as we work with the police to ensure the safety and security of all users of the court, the CMS stated in a release. On August 21, a bomb threat forced the abrupt ending of court in Duncan's Trelawney. An anonymous phone call was also the source of the scare, which brought the day's proceedings to a halt as law enforcement personnel searched for a possible explosive.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. Teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.